So for the first time, we're in Mandeville. Very cool Mandeville. We're at Midway Mall, and this is Smartbox TSSR. Let's go inside. Amanda Wall is the web store manager.
You got it right.
How do you do?
I'm fine, thank you.
What is TSSR, please?
All right, it stands for Technology, Sales, Service, and Repairs.
All right, having said that, tell me what's in the store.
We have laptops, we have printers, we have desktops, security cameras, tablets, speakers, we have inks and toners, and we have small amounts of stationery. Well, we have HP, we have Acer, we have the Asus, and we have the Toshiba.
It's the same desktop also, same brand?
No, for the desktop, the only brand that we currently stock is the Blue Code.
What about the tablets?
Well, the tablets, we have the Acer, we have the Alcatel Pixie, we have Samsung's Nuclear, so we have cell phone accessories, so we have the security cameras and the accessories.
Yes.
We have the printers and the accessories,
Yes.
we have the laptops and the accessories,
Yes.
the desktop and the accessories.
The store should have name accessories. Beer accessories, I like it. But we're talking about security cameras, which is right here.
Yes, sir.
What kinds you have? Or is just one kind of security camera they have in life?
We have cameras for the persons for the household,
Right?
and then the persons that have their commercial businesses. This fellow here is a PTZ dome camera. So what it does, it gives you a 360 view of your surroundings.
So
you have
this
some
would
of
be ideal for a parking lot.
Yes.
So you have another store? Where?
Yes, we do. That's Uptown. So that's shop number 5, Grove Court Shopping Center, and it's still here in Mandeville.
All right. Well, I don't think you need any more than that. If you are a techie person, or if you know someone who's a techie person, I guess this is the store to be. Check Amanda and tell the people Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
So wherever you want to go this holiday, you want to make sure that the body is on fleek. And if you come to Venposh, she's absolutely going to hook you up.
So the services here includes body contouring services, which are belly fat removal, side fat removal, back fat removal. We also do butt enhancement, hip enhancement, breast enhancement, wart removal, which is a very famous one, and also laser hair removal. We also have facials, massage. So everything you need to do for the body, it is right here. Products for the body, right here. We have a 10% discount going, as well as we have a BFF offer. We have the surgery garments, which are the post-surgery garments. So once you have done like a surgery, these are the garments you have to use as support. We also have the regular latex waist trainer. It's an everyday wear. Then we also have the sports types.
The zip is here. So the hook's underneath it. When you put the clothes on, nothing. All right, Venposh, envious curves and more. Check them out.